Okay, this is a next scratch itch itchy scratchy scratch build. Scratchy scratchy itch itch. This is the Nutcracker. You can rebuild it into different things apparently, which is interesting, but it's the Lego Nutcracker, and this cost me €15 from the airport in Istanbul. So let's see what it's got. We've got 208 pieces, age 8 plus, set 40640, Nutcracker, $12.99. So that was kind of expensive really, but whatever. Well, I paid €15, but whatever. Celebrate the holiday season with Lego Nutcracker 40640 building set. This Lego interpretation of the iconic Nutcracker figure can be built with a male or female face and comes with movable arms and an opening mouth. I didn't know that. A fun gift idea and enjoyable build for kids, friends and families, this festive figure will bring a seasonal charm to any home or workplace. Cool. Well, I'm going to be building, not being racist, sexist or anything racist, sexist, I'm going to be building the guy, not the girl. So it's just because that's how I see Nutcracker, but whatever, because I play Fortnite. Anywho, all right, so thumbs up, comment, give us a like, subscribe, do whatever you can do. I'm going to build this and I'll see you on the other side when I finished it.
A few moments later.
Right then, that one's done. That was easy. Didn't take long, to be honest. Easy little build, and he's got a moving mouth, as you can see. He's got a big mouth, but whatever. And his arms kind of flap around. Don't really actually move per se, but you know, they move if you flap them. Nice little details, I suppose. You've got the boots. So a closer look for you. Here we go. So, little booties. And his top, skirt, dress, whatever you want to call it, his uniform. I love the hat. The hat's really cool. And the little cuffs on the arms using spur gears is a really clever idea. This is like a humongous great handle sticking out the back because that's how you move the mouth, as you can see. Anyway, yeah, simple build, nice and easy. Good little one to scratch, itch, itch that scratch, scratch that itch. That's the one. It's very cool, and festive, of course. So recommend it. Kids will love it, and yes, you get the pieces. You can change it into the girl's face or the guy's face, so entirely up to you. I went with him because that's how I see the Nutcracker, but of course, you know, have to be politically correct and offer both, I suppose. But yeah, there you go, finito, one job done. It's very, very cool, good fun, and like I say, quick and easy build, so kids will enjoy it as well. And you get something to put up on Christmas on the shelf once a year for a week or 2 weeks. Be cool. It's definitely going to be on display in my areas. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment. Did you buy this? Are you going to buy it? Normal questions. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of the set, and I'll see you in the next build. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.